So are you looking for means to send bulk SMS to USA that support two-way SMS? What I mean by two-way SMS is that when you send SMS to your audience, you want them to reply you so you can start keeping the conversation going from your software. This video is for you. So with the software and the API we are going to be using, it will allow you to send two-way SMS. So if you message your US clients or audience and they reply to your message, you're going to receive the reply here. Going to receive the reply here. Can you see it's very amazing? It's very amazing, very amazing. Can you see? Let me show you a demo. So like I'm going to be using my Google Voice. So this is a conversation. I'm going to be using my Google Voice. So let's send a quick SMS. Let me try and delete this message. Let's start from afresh. So everything's empty now. So let's start again. So choose my phone number. So let's send it to USA. So I've pasted the number I'm sending to. So I'm just going to send a random SMS. So with this software, so it has a feature to generate your content with AI. You'll be able to set up this software, so you can just generate yours. But I've not connected our API to it yet, and so it's not going to work. So let me just so you can just click on. So if you want to paste a lot of phone number here, like just make sure you can upload close to 1,000 number at a row. Sorry, a maximum of 100 at a row by pasting. So you can upload it. Then make sure this let me do what I'm saying. Let me see. So let's change this to fit. So can you see the total number of recipients is still in one? So if I put comma here, sorry, if I put comma here, you see the total number of recipients have changed to 2. So but if you're going to be using semicolon, make sure this comma is semicolon. If you're going to be using the line, so just put it just now. So can you see 2? You don't want to do the stress of comma, put a comma at the end of the odd number, just using name now. So I'm just going to be taking away this. Okay, so let's click send. So your message says deliver. So let's check my Telegram. Can you see the message of deliver? Amazing, very fast, very fast, very fast. So sorry, I've sent it. So let's refresh with our chat box. Can you see? So let me just send another reply. So let's refresh it again. Can see it, it's delivered. Amazing. So let me just apply. So this software support any country to SMS depending on the API you're using. If you're sending to UK, Canada, it support it as long as the API you connect to the software support two-way SMS. So that's how it works. Let's just check the reply. You can see the reply have dropped as well. So that's how the software works. So you want to get this software, you want us to be able to set up this amazing bulk SMS sender software, just message us on our WhatsApp by messaging us on our WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you. We see you again.